Welcome to ELITT Direct Drop and Direct Pickup. First, open ELITT like you always do by selecting Bid Input, then Line Improvement Trip Trade. You'll see the familiar ELITT screen, but now there's a new up and down arrow between the Legality Check and Process Trade disk. Let's start with Direct Pickup. Pick up a trip from the available list. The Pickup arrow will activate. Click the arrow and a confirmation message will pop up. Hit OK, and the trip will be added to your schedule. You'll notice your duty count and net zero go up by 4. Now let's look at direct drop. Make sure your net zero and duties to cover are more than the duty periods of the pairing you want to drop. Select the pairing, and the direct drop button will activate. Click the button, and a confirmation message will pop up. Hit OK, and the trip will be removed from your schedule. Your duty count and net zero will go down by 3. Let's see that again with a turn. In all cases, the drop trip goes back into the available trips inventory. Now let's pick up another trip. And that's it. Normal ELITT functions remain the same. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for updates on ELITT across bid periods and reserve ELITT.